One of the many benefits of using artificial intelligence, AI, is to help us view societal problems from a different perspective. While there's been much debates about how AI might be misused, we must not overlook the many ways AI can be used for good. So, here are some of the best ways artificial intelligence is used for good. 1. Climate change. We can make tremendous progress in solving one of the world's biggest issues with the support of artificial intelligence. Climate change is a gigantic problem, but leaders in AI believe technology might be able to tackle it. Machine learning can improve climate informatics and can power approximately 30 climate models used by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Artificial intelligence can also help predict the impacts of climate change on different regions. 2. Cancer screening. Artificial intelligence, powered by deep learning algorithms, is already in use in healthcare. And AI's imaging capabilities are promising for cancer identification and screening. It is used to predict the development of diseases across a healthcare network. A group uses deep learning-based AI algorithms to predict the development of diseases with 94% accuracy, including cancers of liver, rectum, and prostate. Thanks to published cancer research, clinical trials, and drug development, there's an abundance of data that AI can help to review and then guide healthcare decision-making. 3. Reduce inequality and poverty. AI can actually help reduce inequalities. The project Equitas and IBM's AI Fairness 360 are open-source toolkits that can track and correct bias. Imperial College of London is training AI to identify inequality based on street images of living conditions in cities, with the aim to ultimately use this information to improve the situations. 4. Spot fake news. It's true that AI is the engine that pushes fake news out to the masses, but Google, Microsoft, are using machine learning and natural language processing to assess the truth of articles automatically. It also uses artificial intelligence to find words and patterns that could indicate fake news. 5. Wildlife conservation. A team from the University of Hawaii used AI to analyze 600 hours of audio to detect the number of collisions between birds and power lines. In another effort to halt the decline of endangered species by using AI, the University of Southern California Center for Artificial Intelligence in Society uses an unmanned aerial vehicle to spot poachers and locate animals. The data collected by the drone is sent back to be analyzed by machine learning tools that use game theory to help predict poacher and animal activity. 6. Combat world hunger. AI can analyze millions of data points to help determine the perfect crop, develop seeds, maximize current output, and control herbicide application precisely. Many applications are in use already, but one highlight here is the nutrition early warning system that uses machine learning and big data to identify regions that are at increased risk of food shortages due to crop failure, rising food prices and drought. 7. Save the bees. The global bee population is in decline, and that's bad news for our planet and our food supply. In a partnership with Oracle, the World Bee Project hopes to help bees survive and thrive by gathering data through Internet of Things sensors, microphones, and cameras on hives. The data is then uploaded to the cloud and analyzed by artificial intelligence to identify patterns or trends that could direct early interventions to help bees survive. Ultimately, AI makes it easier to share real-time information on a global scale and take action to save the bees. That's all for this video. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.